Hi guys, my name is Juan Lucio. I am the head trainer over at the Doyle Golf and Performance Institute in Hoffman Estates, South Barrington. I've known Michelle for about 3 years and have, been benefiting from her consulting for the past year and a half. She's been tremendous for my business and really helped me become a better business person as a trainer. And when business was going excellent, I had been getting clients almost every week, benefiting from her consultations and conversations that we had. And then this whole event happened, and I kind of felt lost. But and she she understands the gravity of the situation, and to give you time, and then she presents to you the idea that, hey, if you want to save your business and you want to help your clients, it's time to move forward. And so I went ahead and got the revenue rescue kit, and it's been tremendous for the business. It's helped me maintain 80% of my one-on-one, 80-90% of my one-on-one clients, and add different facets to my business that are going to help increase revenue or make up for that lost revenue, and with the goal of making more money. So I highly recommend getting it. I highly the 197 that it cost is, it's easy to make exponentially more than that. So it's a no-brainer. Invest, and just move forward, take the leap.